It's raining. They said this was supposed to be the biggest storm we've had in Northern California in 6 years. Winds of 30 to 60 miles an hour. Turned out to be 20 to 25. Big trees back here blowing around all night. But this is exactly why I moved up here. All this rain and storms. Beautiful. Nice brisk air. Look over here, it's all gray. That's the backyard, huh? Want to see the dogs? Who's that little girl? Oh, look who's nice and warm in the house. Huh, where's Gino? There he is, look. Here comes Gino. There he is. Come on up here. Atta boy. All warm in the house. Instead of outside in the rain and the cold, Daddy took the day off just to enjoy the storm with the puppy dogs and the cats.